How to measure and install a diamond security screen to a Boral OX sliding window. Measure. Step 1. Remove the sliding glass window and store in a safe place. Step 2. When installing a window, always determine the installation method. In this case, we will use a pocket fitting while using internal fixings. Step 3. To measure the maximum drop, place tape in the top channel down to the top edge of the bottom lip, 1458 millimeters. To measure the minimum drop, place tape in the bottom channel and measure up to the bottom edge of the top lip, 1441 millimeters. This is done to find the difference, which is 17 millimeters divided by 2, which gives you 8.5 millimeters. Round up to 9 millimeters. Add this to the minimum size for decent overlap and to have an ease installation. This case, the manufacturer size is 1450 millimeters. Step 4. Measure width from the right side receiver jab lip to edge of the mullion, 855 millimeters. How to install? Step 1. Slide grill screen into the head channel. Then push screen forward and drop into the bottom channel. Step 2. Wedge grill in behind the mullion. Fix off tabs on jab side, top, middle, and bottom, or where required. Start by wedging the tab in between security grill and window jab. After that, fix off the tab to grill, not the jab, with screws or pop rivets. Step 3. Screw fixing at the top of grill just below the window fin to stop the screen from lifting. Step 4. Finish the installation by reinserting glass part of the window back into the frame and clean inside the tracks and around the window.